So, only thing different I did, take the back off. Still got the hose for radiator, still got the oil housing filter. And, well, took this out, tilt to the right, tilt to the front, push inward, went in. A couple scrapes there. Sorry, it's like 10 o'clock at night, or I don't know, 9:30. Echo, what time is it?
It's 9:54 p.m.
9:54. All right. So, stick it in there. See that? Goes in. Still hits somewhere. Oh, there it is. Oh shit. I did it one-handed. Oh man. Oh, what the hell did I just do? One-handed. Trick here. Take this guy out. Unchange. Unchange. Take off, obviously, the bracket down here. But no need to cut anything. I can tell you what, though. It's been hours. Because I tried every other method. And it was hitting this darn thing. And then it was hitting here. And it wasn't until I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take out the cover. That's it, guys. I mean, perfect. Let's try one of these just to make sure. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, you can't see it. I'm a poor camera guy. All right, time to put it back together.